Captivating kitchen design trends, embracing rustic charm in culinary spaces. Introduction: the allure of rustic kitchens. Welcome to the Grand Mansion channel, where we explore the beauty of rustic home inspirations. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of kitchen design trends that embrace rustic charm. As the heart of the home, the kitchen is more than just a place for cooking. It's a space for gathering, creating memories, and expressing personal style. In this video, we will unveil the latest trends that highlight rustic elements, from reclaimed wood to vintage accents. If you love rustic aesthetics as much as we do, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment sharing your favorite kitchen design ideas. Natural materials, the foundation of rustic design. One of the defining characteristics of rustic kitchens is the use of natural materials. Think wood, stone, and metals that evoke a sense of warmth and authenticity. Reclaimed wood, often sourced from old barns or vintage homes, adds character and history to any culinary space. This trend not only emphasizes sustainability but also brings a unique story into your kitchen. Pairing reclaimed wood cabinetry with stone countertops creates a stunning visual contrast that embodies the rustic charm. In addition, metal accents, such as wrought iron or brushed brass hardware, can add a touch of elegance while maintaining that grounded, earthy feel. Together, these materials create a harmonious blend that speaks to the simplicity Color palettes, earthy tones and warm neutrals. Color plays a crucial role in creating an inviting rustic kitchen. Earthy tones and warm neutrals are favorite choices, evoking the tranquility of nature. Shades of brown, green, and soft creams can transform your kitchen into a cozy haven. Accent walls in deep forest greens or muted terracottas can add depth, while light-colored cabinetry keeps the space feeling open and airy. The interplay of light and dark can enhance architectural features, such as exposed beams or vintage fixtures. Complementing these colors with natural textiles, like linen curtains or jute rugs, reinforces the rustic theme while adding texture and warmth. This thoughtful approach to color selection fosters a serene atmosphere that invites culinary creativity. Open shelving, displaying functionality and aesthetics. Open shelving has surged in popularity, particularly in rustic kitchens. This trend promotes a blend of functionality and aesthetics by allowing homeowners to showcase their beautiful dishware and pantry items. Rather than hiding everything behind closed doors, open shelves provide an opportunity to display charming vintage dishes, rustic glass jars filled with grains, and beautifully arranged cookbooks. This design choice encourages organization while also creating a personalized gallery that reflects your culinary journey. However, it's essential to maintain a balance. Careful arrangement and thoughtful curation of items can prevent the space from feeling cluttered. Ultimately, open shelving invites warmth and personality into your kitchen. Farmhouse sinks, a timeless touch. A hallmark of rustic kitchens is the classic farmhouse sink, also known as an apron front sink. This design not only enhances the kitchen's functionality but also serves as a striking focal point. The spacious basin is perfect for washing large pots and pans, making it a practical choice for avid cooks. Farmhouse sinks come in various materials, from traditional porcelain to modern fireclay, allowing for versatile design options. By pairing a farmhouse sink with vintage-inspired faucets and accessories, you can achieve a cohesive rustic look. This timeless element seamlessly integrates into contemporary kitchens while paying homage to traditional craftsmanship, making it a favorite among rustic design enthusiasts. Vintage accents, the charm of timeless pieces. Incorporating vintage accents into your kitchen design can infuse character and nostalgia. From antique light fixtures to retro appliances, these pieces tell a story and evoke memories of simpler times. Consider scouring flea markets or thrift shops for unique finds, like a vintage scale, old spice jars, or an ornate kitchen table. Not only do these items serve as conversation starters, but they also contribute to a layered and curated aesthetic. When paired with modern elements, vintage pieces can create a striking juxtaposition, illustrating the blend of old and new that defines rustic design. This trend allows you to personalize your kitchen while embracing the charm of yesteryears. Functional layouts, balancing beauty and efficiency. While aesthetics are vital in kitchen design, functionality should never be overlooked. A well-thought-out layout that promotes efficiency is crucial in any culinary space. Rustic kitchens often embrace open floor plans that encourage movement and interaction. Islands or peninsulas serve as gathering spots, while also providing additional workspace. Consider incorporating multifunctional furniture, such as a kitchen island with built-in storage or a table that doubles as a prep space. This approach not only maximizes utility but also fosters an inviting environment where family and friends can come together. Balancing beauty with practicality ensures that your rustic kitchen is as enjoyable to cook in as it is to admire. Lighting, setting the mood with rustic fixtures. Lighting is another essential element in achieving a captivating rustic kitchen. The right fixtures can dramatically alter the ambience of the space. Consider using wrought iron chandeliers or pendant lights with a vintage finish to complement your rustic theme. Warm, soft lighting creates a cozy atmosphere, perfect for both cooking and entertaining. Incorporating natural light through large windows or skylights can further enhance the feeling of openness and connection to the outdoors. Additionally, layering different light sources, such as under-cabinet lighting and accent lamps, can add depth and warmth, inviting a sense of home into your culinary haven. Sustainable practices, eco-friendly rustic kitchens. As sustainability becomes increasingly important in home design, many rustic kitchens are adopting eco-friendly practices. This includes using reclaimed materials, energy-efficient appliances, and sustainable sourcing for new elements. By choosing natural finishes and minimizing the use of synthetic materials, you can create a kitchen that not only looks good but also contributes positively to the environment. Incorporating indoor herb gardens or vertical planters can add greenery while promoting a farm-to-table lifestyle. This trend reinforces the rustic ethos of simplicity and a connection to nature, making your kitchen a space that aligns with a sustainable future. Conclusion: embrace the rustic charm. As we wrap up our exploration of captivating kitchen design trends that embrace rustic charm, it's clear that this aesthetic offers a perfect blend of warmth, personality, and functionality. By incorporating natural materials, earthy colors, and vintage accents, you can create a kitchen that feels both inviting and timeless. Whether you're considering a complete renovation or simply updating a few elements, these trends provide a solid foundation for a culinary space that reflects your style and values. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Grand Mansion channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We would love to hear your ideas for rustic kitchen designs.